Welcome students. Now this is a class of grammar, as I have already told you. We have already gone through two texts in our WhatsApp class. First one is My Own True Family and the second one is Our Runaway Kite. An exam has already been taken. Now the grammar portion of Our Runaway Kite has not been discussed. You can find it in your textbook Bliss, page number 46, that a grammar item has been given here, which I have already told you that it's a WH question. Very interesting, WH question. Now first of all you have to know what is WH question. ব্যাপারটা কি? You have to know first that whenever we say something in a statement form, a sentence, you can find it here. A statement is here, my name is Tiasha. Very clear statement. Now if anyone says this statement, যদি কেউ বলে এটা, in to which question this can be given an answer, কি প্রশ্নের উত্তরে এই উত্তরটা হতে পারে? ন্যাচারালি তোমার নাম কি? What is your name? So this is the basic thing. That is, whenever a question is asked, then we give the answer. Now here the case is completely reverse. That is, a question you have to frame from a given statement. My name is Tiasha. The question is, what is your name? Now what is WH question? Because this question begins with a WH word, that is what. What is a WH word? That is words which usually begin with WH or H. Suppose what, who, whose, whom, when, why, how, all these are WH words. So whenever a question begins with a WH word, we can say it's a WH question, nothing new. একটা প্রশ্নকে যখন WH ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে শুরু করা হচ্ছে তখন তাকে আমরা WH কোশ্চেন বলছি, এর বেশি কিছু না. That's all. Now I am giving you and I am telling you a difference between interrogative sentence and question, which usually the students they are confused. The basic difference between interrogative sentence and the question. I have given a statement here. I play football. A very easy sentence. আমি ফুটবল খেলি. Now if I wish to make an interrogative one, then how can we say? Very easy. একটা সাহায্যকারী ক্রিয়া, in English we call it auxiliary verb, is placed. Suppose, do I play football? Do I play football? And interrogation mark should be there. It's a mistake. আমি কি ফুটবল খেলি? But this is not a question, this is an interrogative form. But if I want to ask a question, then I have to say, তুমি কি খেলা খেলো? What game do you play? তুমি কি খেলা খেলো? Then the answer is, I play football. But this is an interrogative sentence. Do I play football? But question is, what game do you play? Now the final question is, how can we frame this question? What is the procedure of framing this question? It is our discussed matter. Now this is a structure of WH question. You can tell it a formula like mathematics. Just clearly note the formula and try to remember it well, then you can't make any mistake about it. WH question is equal to WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus if any. Very easy. যে WH question frame করতে গেলে প্রথমে WH word লাগে, তারপরে একটা সাহায্যকারী ক্রিয়া লাগে, তারপর সাবজেক্ট বা কর্তা লাগে, তারপর ইফ এনি অর্থাৎ যদি কিছু থাকে. দ্যাটস অল. নাও হোয়াট ইজ দিস অক্সিলিয়ারি ভার্ব? এটা নিয়ে একটা সমস্যা হয় ছেলে মেয়েদের, যে এই সাহায্যকারী ক্রিয়া অক্সিলিয়ারি ভার্বটা কি হয়? Whenever we usually frame a question or a mode of a sentence can be changed by using auxiliary verb. Now which verbs are used as auxiliary? Clearly note. Auxiliary verb, be verb, you know, am, is, are, was, were, will be, shall be. These are the be verbs. Then to have verb, that is have, has, had. Then the modal, that is will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, ought, must. These are modal auxiliaries. Now if these verbs are there, then they can be used as auxiliary verbs. এই ভার্বগুলো যদি থাকে সেগুলো সাহায্যকারী কাজ করতে পারে. Otherwise do is largely used. Do verb ব্যাপকভাবে ব্যবহৃত হয়. So you have to remember well this particular structure, that is WH question is equal to WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus if any, and do is largely used as auxiliary verb. Otherwise, if the verb in the statement is there, any be verb, any form of to have verb or any modal auxiliary, then you can use it. Now finally an example is there. A statement is Rajibul went there at night. Very easy, meaning is very clear যে রাজিবুল রাত্রিবেলা সেখানে গেল. Now if we want to make questions, then we can make at least 3 questions from here, because Rajibul can be an answer, there can be an answer, at night can be an answer. আমরা যদি রাজিবুলটাকে উত্তর ধরি, অ্যান্সার ধরি, তাহলে কি বলবো যে কে রাত্রিবেলা সেখানে গেল. উই নো দ্যাট কে, ইট রেফার্স টু দ্য ওয়ার্ড, ইট কে বোঝাতে আমরা ইউজ করি হু. তো then who went there at night? So naturally a question may be arising that কোথায় এখানে তো auxiliary verb used হলো না, no auxiliary verb is used here. So when the subject itself is the answer, then the formula will not be used here. But other than that, if the answer is there, if the answer is at night, সেখানেটাকে যদি উত্তর ধরি তাহলে প্রশ্নটা কি হয় যে রাজিবুল রাত্রিবেলা কোথায় গেল. Whenever we know kothai, it's where. So after WH word where, then did. Why did? Because this is an auxiliary verb, because here in this particular sentence no be verb, ekhane kono be verb nei, no to have verb, kono to have verb nei, no modal auxiliary, kono modal auxiliary mane can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, ought, must, esab kichui nei. So then we have to use do. But did, why? Because it is past tense, past form. Rajibul went there at night. So you have to remember that you have to write a past form. Where did Rajibul, then the verb, after the auxiliary subject Rajibul, then the verb. Why it is go? Because in a sentence 2 forms of past cannot be used. So whenever did is used, then it should be the go, the past form of present form of point is go. So where did Rajibul go at night? And finally, if the answer is at night, যদি ধরি রাত্রিটা উত্তর, তাহলে কখন রাজিবুল সেখানে গেল? How can we frame the question? When, WH word, then the auxiliary, same, did, then subject, Rajibul, then verb go, এখানে তো দেয়ারটা বসবে কেন কি at nightটা তো এখানে আমাদের answer. তাহলে 3 questions can be framed from this statement. Who went there at night? Where did Rajibul go at night? When did Rajibul go there? আমি এখানে অ্যান্সারগুলো লিখে দিয়েছি. এখানে রাজিবুলটা অ্যান্সার, এখানে দেয়ারটা অ্যান্সার, এখানে at night অ্যান্সার. And you have to remember that interrogation mark must be used because you are making a question. So using this structure or formula, you can easily frame a WH question, and you can practice it from your exercise book, from your grammar book, from your other source like test papers, question banks, whatever. But just try to remember